What's up, everybody? Andrew here with the Medellin Living channel again. We're gonna go look at two properties that my friend is selling. He's picking me up at my favorite cafe in Bario, Manila. If you guys are in town, check it out. Let's go. What's up, buddy? All right. All right, we are here. Let's go. All right. As we walk in, the first thing that we notice is that even though this was built maybe 25 years ago, they still did like an open concept here with the living room and the dining area. We've got the stairs on the right side. This one is 320 square meters, which is about 4,000 square feet. So it's pretty big. It's almost 4,000 square feet. This is the kitchen. It's got an island there. And you've got the maid's quarters here, which is, it's a big maid's quarters. And it's got its own full bath here. So this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath apartment. It is the top floor. It's 5 floors in this building. It's not a big building, which is good, but that means that the administration or the HOA is gonna be a little bit more expensive because it's less apartments to share it with. So the administration's here is about $320 per month. This is another bedroom here. This is the first bedroom on the first floor. This is kind of like the social bath, which is a full bath. There's the vanity. It's kind of cool. Definitely old school. And here's the first bedroom on the first floor. It's a big bedroom, enough for a work desk there. No AC installed in this one. This one is going for about $375,000, but it's very negotiable. The motivation behind the sale is that he's building another house, wants that cash in order to finish building that house, which is good to know. Look at this old school like study here. This is awesome. Imagine if I was doing my videos here in this study. It's cool. Definitely needs some TLC, but not too much. I mean, it definitely has a vibe. Let's go. This is the dining area here, and we have living area here. Let's go upstairs. In the meantime, as we walk upstairs, if you are interested in buying a property in Medellin, Colombia, make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, let's get back to this house here. By the way, this painting is like a $8,000 painting. That artist is pretty well known. Okay, so this is the second floor of this little penthouse. Little is an understatement. It's pretty big. This is like a TV area, which I love because downstairs there is no TV in the living room. The first thing on this floor, though, is this big closet or storage area. But what the owner said is that a lot of people, when they remodel these apartments, they convert this area into like a steam room and maybe a cold plunge on this side. That definitely would change the vibe. Let's go left here. Another bedroom. Closets on this side. Again, the little living area here. And we are in Castropol, the neighborhood of Castropol. It's walking distance to Parque del Poblado, walking distance to Barrio Manila, walking distance to Parquilleras, and also Provenza. Let's go here first, before the master. This is a little like study. I think this could maybe, this could definitely be turned into a room if you wanted to, like put a bed in here. But you could also make it into like a little gym. This is the master bedroom here. It's pretty big. Yeah, looks cool. And they did redesign this bathroom. Look at that. So this actually shows you the potential of this apartment because look how beautiful this closet is. And if you remodeled the entire apartment to look like this, it would be worth a pretty penny, that's for sure. Look at this bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. They did a great job with this bathroom. Here's the vanity, his and her sinks, the walk-in shower here, pretty big, and you've got the tub here, which is cool, with sunlight coming down. It's awesome. Now let's go out to the little terrace that this place has, which is right here. Look at that. Pretty cool. And you've got 3 accesses to this terrace, which is the hallway, the master, and this little room over here, which could be like a gym or something, or maybe even like a social area. You could eat breakfast out here, looking over the city. You do have a view of the city, even though we're only on the 5th floor, but we're on the Castropol hill, on the bottom of the Castropol hill. Here you've got construction in front, so these are gonna be, this is the M Living construction, and you've got Parma back there. You've got, behind it, you also have Art Living, so this is a very exclusive neighborhood. So let me know in the comments what you thought about this one. Again, if you want to buy a property in Medellin, we can help you. We have been doing this for many years. Now let's head over to the next apartment. Okay, so this one's a little smaller than the other one. This one's only 63.5 square meters, which is just about 700 square feet. This is the kitchen area here. And since these are older buildings, you can knock down all of these walls if you wanted to. So this could be a little reno project that wouldn't cost too much. As you know, we're in Colombia, cost of labor, materials, all that is pretty cheap. For an apartment like this, a complete reno, talking about redoing the entire kitchen, knocking down walls, redoing floors, for 63 square meters would probably run you about $20,000, maybe a little more if you wanted to go more high end. This is the first bathroom, which is a full bath, social bath, and shared bath for these 2 rooms here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Perfect for a little family, perfect for Airbnb if you're gonna rent them out monthly. We are in Castropol, the same area as the big one, just a little further up the hill. This unit actually does have a pool in it, this building, and some social areas. The other building did not have a pool. This is cool. This is a perfect size for a reno. The sales price on this one is $127,000 US. Very negotiable. Both sellers from the big one and this one are very motivated to sell. So if you are interested, again, there's a link in the description below. Click on it, fill out the form, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments. What did you think about this one? So that's it for the video, guys. Let me know what you guys thought. We'll see you guys in the next one.